guys.
Someone's definitely getting hurt today.
Alright, it's alright. I didn't get.
Dude, go.
I didn't rip my pants. Is it?
What's going on, guys? Justin from FLIPZCO here. We are headed up to Suffolk, New York right now. I'm linking up with my boy Juan. He told me, well, he saw the video from yesterday and was like, yo, I got some Ruckus parts that I need to get out of my house like ASAP. Would you mind if you come and scoop it up? So we are headed up to New York right now. We're going to check out what he's got, and hopefully it adds up to the point where it can help out for our Ruckus legend.
What's up, homie? How are you?
What's going on? So Juan's a super cool dude. He's like, look, GY6. All the parts that we need for a GY6 kit. Then you got the lowdown. What is it?
Just lowdown. This is the lowdown bracket from PUZZO, old school. They already got LED bulbs in it, so you don't run the battery low. Because the HIDs will drain the battery, and then you'll be chasing gremlins for no reason.
What do you think of me going back into the Ruckus scene?
Let's see if we can get it back up.
It's all about the Grom, right? So what's in this? Like, what?
This is a full GY6 motor, complete with the big MCY big board kit, and all the parts you need to put it back together if you want to. If you're gonna go GY6.
So we're gonna get you back into the Ruckus too?
Nope.
Hey guys, so we are headed back to the shop right now. Special thanks to Juan. Juan, what's your Instagram?
Grocery Getter.
Definitely give him a follow. Thank you so much for all the parts, man.
No problem, anytime.
You're gonna save this whole Ruckus from scrap metal. All right. All right, I'll see you guys at the shop. But I know you guys saw the video with Juan Lago. He introduced me to this guy Jose. I texted him. So right now I am just pulling up to his garage. We were just talking a little bit and picking up some new parts for the Ruck, and it's legit. It's not one of those, it's a big purchase, and I didn't really want to purchase it, but he hooked me up with a deal and I had to get it.
Did I never know you were Portuguese?
Damn.
No.
So Jose's got by far the best Ruckuses on the tri-state area right now. We'll call it out. This is his, and then he's also collaborating on a build with his boy too on this one, and it looks amazing. You spend a lot of money on Ruckus stuff, huh?
Yes, I do. There's a lot of stock in here right now.
What does your wife say about it?
She goes, as long as you're not out drinking and doing drugs, I'm okay with it.
That's how my fiance said about drifting, yeah. So this is pretty freaking awesome. Jose hooked me up with an awesome deal on a whole front end. We're gonna show you guys at the shop. I'm not gonna show you right now, but he hooked it up and I can't thank him enough. Thanks Lago for introducing me to the legend, because honestly, we're bringing the Ruckuses back, I'm telling you right now. And I was talking to Phil, S2K. He's got the Grom, but I think he's gonna get a Ruckus again and ride out with us, so we're gonna make sure that happens. That looks like the Supra. He's giving me ideas. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we match the RX-7 or should we match the Supra? Let me know in the comments. You got an Instagram?
Boy Ruckster.
Okay. Follow him, put it underneath. I'm gonna follow him, obviously, because stuff like this is insane. And I never thought this was in New Jersey. First class fitment, I always thought it was like Connecticut, Massachusetts, but this is legit. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit at the shop.
What's going on, guys?
Dude,
Vlog number 69 here.
Ruckus Day 3.
That looks right. I don't know how this spacer deal is going.
Go! Get it right!
That brings me back to 7th grade, dude. That song.
What did I buy? I swear to God, I said I'm not gonna spend more than this much money.
And you spent double.
We should really be working on the rear one, just in case this fails, you know?
Yeah, but then we gotta drill that out.
Yeah, but I don't want to drill it out. This is more fun.
Yeah, we only have to drill the hub out. So,
Your
Makoa Scooters hooked us up with a rear hub. It fits perfectly, but we have to drill out the threads. Jose hooked us up with lug nuts, and really sick D1 spec lug nuts, by the way. Forks will be coming off by Marco. Oh shit. We got PUZZO back in the vlog! I got it! Oh, if you guys know PUZZO, he's on Burlington Coat Factory. Holler at him.
Oh!
Keep going.
Oh my god, you did it.
Endless wheelies. Endless wheelies.
What's up, man? How are you?
Hello, fellow groomsmen.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing?
Oh, good.
Oh no. What'd you lose?
I didn't lose anything.
What'd you lose?
On the table.
What am I looking for?
Ow. Did you get that? You're probably sitting on.
You can't drift with us.
No work today. Dude, are you serious? So now what we're doing here is putting the
This might have an issue.
you want me to get it?
Front end sorta on for just mock-up placement. We still need to figure out what we're gonna do with the spacers, and also too if this thing's really twisted. It needs to go the other way or the other way, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. But as of right now, that's somewhat what it's gonna look like. We are starving, so we're gonna take a break from this, head back, go get some food, come back, work on it a little bit later. See you in a bit. See, it's rubbing. No, because here's the front brake. Why would it go straight down?
It went over before, it went on my side.
Yeah, this brake should be on this side.
I don't think
And the rotation's right, the tire rotation's correct. So Cody's car's getting back on the ground. We're putting it on the lift. He's gonna get the suspension arm on, and then he's just gonna send it. Right now it's looking pretty sweet. So PUZZO came to the rescue. He's got his tap and die kit. What we need to do is we need to drill this out right here, because obviously this hole doesn't fit with the, I believe it's a 12mm lug nut, and it needs to go in there. Cody's tapping that out.
Cody's tapping right now. Tapping what though?
He's tapping it.
Alright guys, so I know that this is like not the coolest way to end a video, but I purchased a new camera, G7X, and I sold my old little handy cam. In a way, it was a RX100. I sold it with the memory card in it like an idiot, and I tried reaching out to the kid that actually had the clips regarding of putting on the forks and the rear end of the Ruckus, and he just informed me that he cleared out that whole card, completely deleted all the clips regarding that. But you really didn't miss out on much, because we ended up putting the Ruckus on top of a shelf for the car meet the next day, so there was really no update regarding the ruck besides what you saw. So we put the front forks on, we put the front disc brake on, put the front wheel on, and then we ended up just scrapping the rear because the hub wasn't fitting flush, and we found out that we needed a new stretch kit in order to offset the rear of the motor over to the left, about 3 inches to the left, line up the rear wheel for the 12x8 to fit perfectly fine onto the bike or the scooter, and it all worked out from there. The only reason why I'm filming off of a little later on the new camera is because there's no way we can get those clips back. It was more of us just BSing, but it still takes away from the vlogs. From now on, I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed. I will not be selling any cameras with SD cards in them, and we will see you tomorrow for another vlog. I apologize, more Ruckus content. I know there was no car stuff, but we have a lot of stuff going on tomorrow, especially with the Supra, Ruckus updates, 240 updates, and then also Cody's Time Attack M4. So definitely stay tuned. I appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for the opportunity of spending your day in our vlog, watching, viewing, commenting, and just showing us some love. So also another thing too, if you guys want to support the brand, you want to pick up a snapback, if you want to pick up a sweatshirt, you want to pick up a hoodie, definitely hit up FLIPZCO.com. We actually just dropped a couple of new items and stickers, and we're going to be dropping a little bit more accessories so you guys can have numerous ways of representing, and I appreciate it regardless if you order, if you don't. Either way, thank you. for motivating us and inspiring us to shoot every single day. Thank you so much, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.